Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is, believe it or not, March 1st of 2019, which is crazy to think about. At the end of the month, we have spring break. I'm looking forward to that for sure. I'm going to Florida to see my mom in what I call old people heaven, otherwise known as Naples, Florida. Weather today, 33 degrees our high. I'm hoping we get to go outside for recess. That is our goal today, is to get outside for lunch recess. Low tonight, 19 degrees. There's no chance of snow or rain. It is a beautiful morning out there, sun coming up over the river. PBS expectation, we've been talking about the playground. We've had a lot of issues recently in the playground / recess inside. A lot of it, I believe, stems from right here. Hands and feet to yourself and using kind words and actions. Be nice to each other. It's important that you're nice to each other. If you have a conflict, yesterday there was a conflict in between two fifth graders. If they just would have played Rochambeau because they were playing a game. Play Rochambeau, you figure it out. Even if you think you were there first, your perception is your reality. You still need to just play the game. Get it done, get it over with, and move on. And ultimately, it's a game. It's a game. Have fun playing it. So make sure you're doing that. Punchki orders. Due today. Something a little bit lighter, right? Well, lighter is a relative term. Again, that is not a punchki that I'm eating in the video or in the picture. That is just a big giant donut. I didn't have a picture of me eating a punchki. But punchkis are good. You should order one. They're good. All right, lunch today, you're looking at the lasagna roll-up. You get some crunchy baby carrots in there. Monday, you got the Happy Hamburger on a whole grain bun, mini sweet potato puffs, fruit cocktail, and some crunchy baby carrots. Special announcements, no groups for Miss Brockett today, unfortunately. She is out. And then no technology today. We had to send our technology teacher over to the Literacy Academy at Cleveland. Door decorating contest, we've gone over this all week. Next Thursday is, in a sense, the due date for your door decorating. Some of them are looking really nice as I've walked around the building yesterday with Miss Lindsay and Miss Tenniswood. So continue working on those. Looking forward to that competition. All right, so here we are, our March's Reading Month calendar. We have a whole list of really cool things that we're going to do over the course of the month. And so today, well, really tomorrow, I believe, is Dr. Seuss's birthday. So today is Seuss Day. So let's see here. I have a little poem about Dr. Seuss. He wrote Cat in the Hat and Green Eggs and Ham. He created Horton, the Grinch, the Lorax, and Sam I Am. He loved to write stories. He wrote a great rhyme. When we're reading his books, we're having a great time. It's March 2nd, or 1st, Dr. Seuss. It's such an important day. Today we celebrate you. Happy birthday, we say. So happy birthday to Dr. Seuss. I know The Grinch is one of my favorite Christmas movies. So make sure that you're taking time over the next month to really focus in on your reading. I know every class has or should have their books now. A House with a Clock in its Walls for your guys reading. Monday, so we'll zoom in here maybe. Monday, we're looking at the bookmark contest. So we'll start that on Monday. Those are due March 11th, it looks like. Okay? So definitely looking forward to that. And a fantastic month. I really like Pie Day. Maybe we'll order some pizza that day too. We also talked yesterday about our winners for the attendance. So again, congratulations to Miss Hall's class for doing that. I'm very proud of you guys. We also have these, the golden lunch tray. We got 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, golden lunch tray. So I got one for each grade level. They'll go out hopefully today. I will talk with Miss Starr, Miss Cassie, and Miss Joe and figure out who deserves those for each grade level. Okay? All right, if we can please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. Here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. As always, make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers!